All right, hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are recording this. Hello, hello,
What
hello.
can I How can I help? I can hear you both. How can I help you today?
All right, I wanted this object to replicate so that it will form like a cylinder. How can I do it?
To replicate the selected circle so that it forms a cylinder, you could use the array modifier. Would you like me to walk you through the steps?
All right, I found the array modifier and
Great. Now, make sure the relative offset is checked and adjust the factor z value to create the spacing between the circles. You can also increase the count to add more circles and extend the cylinder. Does that make sense?
it makes sense, but um, hold on.
Sure thing. Let me know what you come up with.
Okay, I got it. So it will be in the factor to locate where the direction of the array is, right?
It sounds like you're using the factor to control the direction of the array. Is the result what you were aiming for?
Yeah, correct. It is. So thank you so much, sir.
You're very welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Uh, that will be all for now. Thank you so much.
Goodbye, and good luck with your project.
Thank you.